Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the Carter family.
We hope you have a wonderful time with us today.
It has been such a calm evening.
Yes, very peaceful. I like evenings like this.
You are such a good dog, Max.
My tower is almost as tall as the table. Careful, it might fall.
Max, what is wrong? Why are you barking?
Max is so loud. What does he want?
I don't know. He never barks like this. Something must be wrong.
He is so loud. What does he want?
Max, what do you want to tell us?
Max? What is wrong? Why are you barking?
Okay, boy, okay. Calm down now. It's all right.
It's okay, Max. We are all here.
There, he's calm now. Maybe it was nothing.
I don't think he's really okay yet. Look at his ear.
Max was barking again this morning. I barely slept.
Me too. This is getting difficult.
Maybe he is hungry. Let's try giving him food.
Here you go, boy. Your favorite food. He didn't even touch his food. That's strange.
It's not food. He keeps looking at us like he wants something else.
He's not hungry. I think he's trying to show us something.
Zoe, he's just a dog. He probably just heard a noise outside.
No, Dad. I think it's something more.
Maybe he just wants to play. Watch this, Max.
Okay. That's weird. He doesn't even want to play.
Looks like you got more exercise than Max did.
Max is not hungry, and he doesn't want to play. He is trying to tell us something important.
Sweetheart, dogs bark sometimes. It doesn't always mean something is wrong.
But Mom, I just know it. Max is never like this. Don't worry, Max. I believe you.
Maybe Zoe has a point. Something does feel different. This has never happened before. I hope nothing is really wrong.
If Max keeps barking like this, our neighbors are gonna complain.
He keeps coming back to this exact spot. Every single time. Maybe he just really likes that door.
No, Tyler. Dogs don't just like doors. Something is behind it.
All right, let's just check. It will only take a minute.
I don't see anything strange here.
Me neither. Just boxes in the car.
Ah, here we go. This box must have fallen and made a noise. Mystery solved.
Wait. Max doesn't look like the mystery is solved at all.
It has been a long day. At least Max is calm now.
Yes. Hopefully he stays that way tonight. Not again! Max, please stop! This time it sounds even louder than before.
Max, this has to stop. You are going to wake the whole neighborhood.
Dad, please. He is trying to tell us something.
I know he is.
Maybe Zoe is right, David. Max has never done this before. Not once.
And he keeps going to the exact same spot every single time. We checked the garage this morning and found nothing. I really don't know what else to do.
Me neither. I am so tired.
Maybe Max just really, really, really likes that garage door.
Tyler, this is not the time.
This is not funny, Tyler. Max needs our help.
Sorry, Zoe. You're right.
See, he keeps going back to the same place. Please, Dad, we have to check again. I am going to stay here with Max. He should not be alone right now. I believe you, Max. I always believed you.
All right. Let's do a proper search this time. We are going to move every single box.
Thank you, Dad. I knew you would listen.
Come on, then. Let's find out what Max has been trying to tell us. Help me move these boxes carefully, one at a time.
Be careful, everyone. We don't know what is in there.
Did you all just hear that?
Yes, something is in there.
Oh my goodness! It's a kitten!
Max knew. He knew the whole time. He was trying to help that little kitten.
It's so tiny. Look at its little eyes.
It's the most beautiful thing I have ever seen.
It's okay, little one. You are safe now. Nobody is going to hurt you.
Told you, Dad. I told you Max was trying to tell us something.
You did, Zoe. You were right all along. I should have listened sooner. Max, I owe you an apology. You were trying to help, and I did not listen. I am truly sorry, boy. I'm sorry, Max. I thought you just wanted food. I didn't understand.
Me too, buddy. I thought you wanted to play. I really didn't get it.
Max was not causing trouble at all. He was trying to help that little kitten the whole time.
He knew something was wrong, and he never gave up trying to tell us.
This is for you, Max. A special treat for a very special and brave dog. Good boy, Max. You are the best dog in the whole world.
We are so proud of you, Max. So proud.
She looks so much better now. She is not scared anymore. She just needed to feel safe. That is all she needed.
Can we keep her? Please? She has nowhere to go.
Tyler has a point. She needs a home.
What do you think? I think. Horsårsikard Kamlin. She already feels like part of this family.
Yes, we are keeping her.
We need to give her a name. What should we call her?
I want to call her Luna. Because we found her at night.
Luna! That is a perfect name, Zoe.
Welcome to the family, Luna. You are safe now. And you will always be loved.
Today we learned something very important. Sometimes someone is trying to help us, but we do not always understand them right away.
The most important thing is to always listen, even when you do not understand. Be patient, be kind, and always pay attention.